Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple but powerful beauty secret from Japan. Something that has been used for generations to brighten the skin naturally. It's believed to help whiten the skin by up to 10 shades over time. And the best part is, you'll notice a visible difference after the very first use. This recipe is designed to help fade pigmentation, lighten dark spots, and give your skin a healthy, even tone. So let's go ahead and start with the ingredients. First, we'll need some plain white rice. Just take 1 spoonful, that's really all you need for this. Slice it into a clean glass jar or bowl. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of water to the rice. Make sure the water is clean and room temperature. After that, we'll let this rice soak in the water for about 48 hours. I know 2 days might sound like a long time, but this step is really important. During this time, the rice water begins to ferment. That fermentation process creates what's called fermented rice water, which is rich in nutrients and beneficial enzymes. After 48 hours, what you'll have is a slightly cloudy liquid. That's your fermented rice water. This is actually a beauty staple in many traditional Japanese skincare routines. It's known to improve skin texture, even out the skin tone, and give you a youthful glow. Now that our rice water is ready, let's move on to the next ingredient. You'll need a bar of soap. I recommend Dove soap because it's gentle and moisturizing, but you can use any mild soap that works for your skin type. We're going to grate the soap using a small grater. You'll need about 3 tablespoons of grated soap for this recipe. Before we move forward, if you're enjoying this video, please take a second to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep bringing you more natural beauty recipes like this one. Alright, now that we've got our soap ready, we'll start preparing the cream. First, strain the fermented rice water into a mixing bowl. Discard the rice grains, or you can use them in a face scrub later. To the strained rice water, add the 3 tablespoons of grated soap. Mix it well until the soap starts to dissolve. This might take a few minutes, but just be patient and keep stirring. The soap will melt down gradually. Now it's time to add a spoonful of cornstarch. Cornstarch gives the mixture a creamy consistency and is also great for soothing irritated or oily skin. Mix it in until there are no lumps. Next, add 1 spoonful of powdered milk. Milk is full of natural lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. Stir that in well too. Finally, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have that on hand, you can use the juice from half a lemon. Both ingredients help balance the skin's pH and offer additional brightening effects. Now pour the entire mixture into a small saucepan. Place it over low heat. It's very important to use low heat so the ingredients don't break down. Stir constantly as it warms up. Slowly, the mixture will begin to thicken and come together like a cream. As we stir, Let's talk about why fermented rice water is so special. It's considered an anti-aging elixir. It helps tighten the skin, reduce scars, brighten the complexion, and even calm down sunburn. It also helps control oil, which makes it great for people with oily or acne-prone skin. Keep stirring until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Once the mixture looks nice and uniform, go ahead and switch off the heat. Let it cool down naturally to room temperature. After the mixture cools, transfer it into a clean, dry container with a lid. A small glass jar or container with a lid works best. Store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for more than a week, and you can use it multiple times during that period. To use the cream, apply it to clean, dry skin. You can apply it to your face, neck, arms, even to sensitive areas if you're looking to lighten those gently. Leave it on for around 20 minutes. During this time, the cream works to hydrate, brighten, and soften the skin. After 20 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll see an instant brightening effect. Your skin will look fresher, more even-toned, and you may even notice that pigmentation and spots look slightly lighter. Repeat this treatment twice a week. With consistent use, you'll see real changes. Not just temporary brightening, but long-term improvement in your skin tone and texture. This recipe is gentle, affordable, and made with ingredients you probably already have at home. It's a great alternative to chemical heavy whitening creams, and it's inspired by centuries of Japanese skincare wisdom. I hope you'll try it out and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.